Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. I've had a few of you email me and ask me if you can put a pillow in the heat press to press on HTV. And I thought that would be a great video to do today. So right here we just have a small travel pillow. I picked this up at Walmart for about $3. We're just going to measure that out. And I like to do it with a tape measure so I can see about where the vinyl would be. I feel like that gives me the best view of how large I want to make that. Now that I have my measurements, let's go over to the computer and pick our file. Okay guys, so here is the bundle pack from craftbundles.com that we'll be using. It is called the Land of the Free Bundle. It is $12, but if you use my code ERIN20 at checkout, you'll get 20% off. And that'll bring it down to $9.60. You're getting 50 cut files, and you're getting full commercial licensing for this price. Now, just to show you really quick, it does come with all 50 states, all in the red, white, and blue theme, and a little image in each one to kind of rep that state. I think they all came out super cute. I love them all. I am kind of partial to Rhode Island because that's where I'm from. I do currently live in Texas, and my husband is from Alaska. But there they all are. I'll link that down below in the description box for you. A lot of times you guys ask me how I got the image on my screen. I just do the drag and drop method. Basically, I have the image that I want to work with on my desktop, and I just open Silhouette enough to see my desktop, and I just pick it up and drag it in. I did use an SVG. I do have the designer edition of Silhouette, and the reason I have it is to work with SVGs so that I don't have to trace anything that's already made and done for me. With this SVG, I can right click and ungroup it, and it does both the red and the blue for me already. Then I just size it to the size that I need, and when I go to cut, we'll go to send, and just click on the image and hit cut, and we're just cutting the red part right now. We'll cut the blue next, but anything with the cut lines on is going to cut. So an SVG already takes care of all that. Again, I don't have to do any tracing. We change our material to heat transfer and smooth, and when we go to hit send, it is going to remind us that this is HTV. So it's going to ask if you want to mirror it. We didn't right here, so you can say yes, but I like to always just do it myself. And I highlight the image and just hit flip horizontally, and then line that up on the map where I want it. And then I will just go ahead and cut that. So I'll meet you back in my craft room. Alright, so we have both pieces done and weeded. This is the red piece here. I did want to go over something with the red HTV. I find the best one to get the most red color on a shirt or anything is to make sure the back is white. If you get one that has the transparent color on the back, it picks up the color of the back of the item. So if you're putting this on our black shirt, it's going to make this red even deeper, and it does get hard to read. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see the shadow of my hand behind that. So again, if you want like a true red on an item, especially if you're using something dark, make sure that the vinyl on the back is this white color. That way the true red shows up. And this is another great tip for yellow and orange, because some yellows and orange do come with that more of that translucent rather than the white on the back. So we're going to put the red part on first and heat press that, and then add the blue. So let's go over to the heat press. Okay, so we have that kind of in the press. We're going to go ahead and pull that down. It's not going to lock, so we're just going to hold it. But this is the first press. We still have to put the stake in there, and HTV does have a little bit of shrink to it once it's heated. So we want to do a very quick press on this first one. So that was a 3-second press. Let's see if we can release the transfer tape. And it came off just fine, no problems. So we'll go ahead and add the stake in there. Just line it up. take my Teflon sheet and just place that over it. I'm going to do another quick press. That was again just another 4 seconds. And I want to take off the transfer tape again. Lay my Teflon sheet back on there. And this time I'm going to do a full press. So that was for 20 seconds. I'm going to let it sit for a moment. And then I'm going to do another 20 seconds. And this is just to secure that everything is on there nice and evenly. And we didn't miss any hot spots because we are just kind of putting our body pressure on it instead of letting the press come and close completely because it can't. And there it is all done. It looks fantastic. I love the way that it came out. It's a cute little gift or to throw on your couch. Thank you craftbundles.com for making all 50 states. They look amazing. These would be great to do on t-shirts, as stickers to put on your car window, or even put them on your camper. How fun would that be? Alright guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. If you hit little crafty mama down there in the corner, she'll help you subscribe even faster. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up with the YouTube algorithm. That really does help me, so I appreciate when you do that. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time guys, happy crafting!